Can a machine truly capture the nuance and emotion of the written word? That's the question posed by artificial intelligence in the realm of writing. It's a fascinating intersection of technology and creativity, a meeting point between logic and emotion. Artificial intelligence, or AI, operates on the principles of learning and adaptation. It's about creating algorithms that can process information, analyze patterns, and make decisions. In the context of writing, AI uses a technique known as natural language processing, or NLP. This technology allows the AI to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Imagine feeding a machine thousands, if not millions, of pieces of written content. This content is then broken down into smaller parts, such as sentences or even individual words. The AI analyzes these fragments, learning how they fit together, how they form ideas, convey emotions, and tell stories. Once it understands these patterns, the AI can then generate its own text. It can write an article, a story, even a poem. It can generate content that is coherent, engaging, and seemingly human. But it's not without its limitations. AI, as advanced as it may be, still lacks the human touch. It can't truly understand the context, the emotion, or the subtle nuances that make our language so rich and varied. It can mimic human writing, but it can't replicate the depth and complexity of human thought. So, in summary, AI has made significant strides in the field of writing. It can learn from vast amounts of data, understand patterns, and generate its own text. It's a powerful tool, one that can save time and resources. But it's not a replacement for human writers. It's a tool, a supplement, not a substitute. The world of AI and writing is a fascinating one, full of potential and possibilities. It's a testament to how far we've come in technology and a glimpse into what the future might hold. But for now, the pen remains mightier than the algorithm.